Hello friends, hai no hai lam sugun nurok no ani YouTube channel lo. Angke faidi tinin topik tam tong kisa nan nele no. Tinin topik ka event now. Abone kok bro meaning ka tabuk bo. Angke faidi kaisa kaisa keseng nan nele no. Puilang ka ang tabuk bo no hamjagu. Abon English meaning nai I love you even now. I love you even now. Next, ang tabuk bo no nasingui tongo. Abon English meaning nai I am waiting you even now. I am waiting you even now. Next, ang tabuk bo no muito kayu. Abon English meaning nai I miss you even now. I miss you even now. Next, ang tabuk bo nini bagui kabui tongo. Abon English meaning nai I am crying for you even now. I am crying for you even now. Next ungka nung tabuk boda ano hamzako. Abon English meaning nai do you love me even now? Do you love me even now? Nang bina answer yes hai kabano by rimano. Next nung tabuk boda ano nasungui tongko. Abon English meaning nai are you waiting me even now? Are you waiting me even now? Next ungka nung tabuk boda ano muito mangko. Abon English meaning nai are you miss me even now? Are you miss me even now? Next, bo tabuk boda ani bagai kabui tongko. Abon English meaning nai, is she crying for me even now? Is she crying for me even now? Next, bo tabuk bo mai chawi tongo. Abon English meaning nai, he is eating even now. He is eating even now. Next, ram tabuk bo tui tukui tongo. Abon English meaning nai, ram is bedding even now. Ram is bedding even now. Next, ang tabuk bo puri tongo. Abon English meaning nai I am reading even now. I am reading even now. Next, ang tabuk bo kam khai tongo. Abon English meaning nai I am doing work even now. I am doing work even now. Hangke tinin bagi asuk no video na tosok hangke ba like kaide share kaide comments kaide tai sini kok bro kok no awai kaina bagi channel no subscribe kaina ta pok belai belai ka hambai khulumka.